Hello and welcome! Today we are in the middle of the Reserva del Higueron, just 15 minutes away from Malaga Airport, and we're going to look at this beautiful house. So this is an exclusive gated community with 24-hour security. We have a lot of great restaurants and we have a state-of-the-art gym, spa, we have a pool club with infinity pool on the roof of Higueron Hotel, and even one of the restaurants has a Michelin star. So this house consists of 3 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, formal dining room. We have a fantastic view and a basement with cinema, gym and garage. And it sits on a plot of 1100 square meters and the house is total of 785 square meters. So directly as we enter, we're welcomed by this walkway, which lights up during night, creating a really nice scenery with gardens on both sides. We have water features and the big palm trees framing in the entrance. And the house itself has a really futuristic design with the curved roof lines and big windows on this side of the entrance. The first thing we see when we enter this property is, of course, the amazing view over the Mediterranean Sea and the coastline. The first impression here is absolutely fantastic. We have double ceiling height, we have 25 meters windows going from floor to ceiling. In the entrance we have bathroom on this side. On the other side we have the stairs connecting us to the bedroom area upstairs and the entertainment area below. This house has a very open, bright floor plan with the massive windows that are connecting the living room area, the kitchen and the outdoor area in a very beautiful way. On this wall we see that it reflects the shape of the house with lights coming from below, making this an art piece itself. And in here we have a formal dining room area facing north and has beautiful green views over the mountains, and also connects to the bathroom which we saw in the entrance. So back to my favorite part of the house. This garden is so beautiful. It's not too small, it's not too big, and the pool floats out from the living room area, and the garden lowers to make a separation from the terrace, which creates the most impressive pool I've ever seen. And it's even more beautiful during night when the garden lights up, when the pool lights up together with the coastline. And this is a southwest orientation, so we have sunshine all year round and we have clear views over the sunset in the west. And this pool has a proper heating system, so we can get it up to 35 degrees in the winter if we would like to. And the plot is 1,150 square meters and has a total automatic irrigation system all around. So on the east side of the house we have a much needed dining area with covered roof, so we can sit here in the summer, have a nice dinner in the shade. And this part connects to the indoor kitchen and also provides an outdoor kitchen with barbecue. And this is one of the best plots in the Reserva del Higueron, and mostly because we have these fantastic views. We have southwest orientation, we have a lot of privacy, but also because we are surrounded by green. We don't have any neighbors that we're looking into. We have a park on this side and we have a green belt on the other side, which we will see more from the upper level. Now we're coming into the kitchen that is very open with a cool design with this floating countertop that acts as a bar. We have appliances from Siemens, we have wine cooler, we have coffee machine, fridge freezer and a very cool design which integrates the hob with the countertop and not having the classic configuration with a hob. We also have a very special detail with this sink that is carved out from a piece of rock. We also have a small utility kitchen with some extra drawers. We have a sink, dishwasher and also a commercial fridge freezer. Further on into the living space we have a proper dining area for 8 persons. We have a cool aquarium which we can see from both sides, and the owner has put a lot of effort and money into the furnitures in the house. Everything is very high quality. We have cool features as this bar furniture that rises or lowers. So now we're going up to see the second floor, which consists of the 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and a very big nice terrace. So directly when we come up from the stairs, we have this cool feature. It's a glass porch which overlooking the downstairs, the pool and these amazing views. We have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on this side, and on this entire side we have the master bedroom and all of the bedrooms access to the terrace in front of us. So before we enter the master bedroom, we have an access to the terrace, so we don't have to go through any of the bedrooms. And this is a proper master bedroom, very big. We have the views from everywhere, floor to ceiling windows, and we have an open plan with the bathroom that has both the bathtub, and we have a double rainfall showers and also a walk-in closet over here. So now we're coming out on the terrace from the master bedroom. This is wide and stretches all the way through all the bedrooms, and from here we have even better views. We can also see the green belt that we were talking about, making this view everything we can ask for. We have the ocean, we have the coastline, we have the sunset and the greenery here. So now we're on the other side of the house in the second bedroom, which is also very spacious. We have fantastic views like from everywhere. We have an open design with a beautiful hot tub. We have wardrobes, nice design of the sink and shower. And in all the rooms we have individual zones for the air conditioning and the underfloor heating, which is operational in all of the house. Okay, so now we are downstairs in the entertainment area. First of all, we have a very handy room, a laundry room with storage, washing machine, dryer, everything we need in here. And my most exciting part down here is this. This is a secondary living room which has a very cool cigar room aura with the red leather couches with the barrels, and it's basically a very good place to be with your friends and family. We have a big wine room which you can control the temperature, and here your own cinema room. This door can be closed so we can have total darkness. We have a lot of nice chairs, and we have a complete Sony system. They have spent around 60,000 euros installing this cinema room. Very nice place to be. On the other side of this room we have a bathroom and also a secondary entrance from the driveway, which could be made into a bedroom because you have your own ensuite bathroom in here. But today we have this access to the driveway. Just next to us we have the garage. Here we can easily fit 2 cars and another 2 cars outside on the driveway. In here we have the installations for the pool pump, and this has been made into a gym. So this is a very nice space. It's not super big, but it has everything we need. It's quite complete, and it has the latest equipment from Techno Gym. We have dumbbells, we have these things that I don't know what the name of, and yeah, a really good place. And this also connects back to the secondary living room. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this house as much as I do. For more information, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Gustav from Scandinavian Mäklarna. Have a nice day and see you soon.